our final project, we wanted to do something related to sustainable fishing in our oceans, and specifically making a difference by reaching out to our local communities, teaching useful skills and giving helpful information to incentivize people to help save the vital resource that fish are. Before we could teach anyone else, we had to learn ourselves, so we began to do research. The fact that we learned was that 90% of the world's fisheries are either fully exploited or overexploited. And if we continue our irresponsible fishing, all of the world's fisheries could collapse by the year 2048. But the question is, are we willing to make the changes to our lifestyle that are necessary to save the ocean? The ocean is an important resource. Over 1 billion people in the developing world rely on the ocean for their diet. Whether it be food or jobs, people rely on the ocean, and we're quickly running out of that precious commodity. Everyone relates back to the ocean, and we want to help our community remember their responsibility to where we came from. We thought the best way to reach out was to share what we've been able to experience in class, by cooking and sharing that experience with other people. We decided to make a simple recipe of cod that required few ingredients and little time because that's what people would want to have. Butter, lemon, garlic, and the fish. Fish is very simple. Melt the butter into the bottom of the pan, being sure not to have it too high so it burns, and crush the garlic into the pan. Next, when the butter is hot enough, place the fish in the pan. In about 30 seconds later, squeeze the lemon out onto the fish. Soon you'll have to flip the fish. Eventually, you know that the fish is done when it turns white and has a texture of it almost falling apart. Then you're free to pull it off and enjoy a delicious meal. We decided that the next course of action should be to go around campus and ask different people what they thought about protecting the ocean and why it's important.
So, why are fish important to us humans?
Fish are a good, sustainable source for food because cows and other agriculture produce a lot of greenhouse gases. And so they're a good source of food that's more sustainable than alternative sources.
And what can we do to help keep their population stable?
Well, there's a lot of commercial fishing for obviously human consumption, but you can also have fish farms which are more sustainable than commercial fishing. So it's less likely for specific fish populations to go extinct.
Why are fish important to humans?
Well, not only do fish represent an important source of food for human beings all over the world, they also are important because they're part of the ecosystem. The ocean, which covers 71% of our planet's surface and is 94% of its habitable environment, is critically connected to fish. Fish are part of the whole scheme that keeps it all working. And if you pull all the fish out, then you're going to end up with a seriously out of balance system.